Hey guys, welcome back to another walking video. I had just popped out to drop some sandwiches off to somebody, but then thought, my goodness, this is a beautiful day. It seems too good to just go home and not do some recording today. This beautiful place. I mean, it's a beautiful place at the best of times, especially when the sun's shining. I love this place. I don't regret moving from London for one bit. It's the best decision I ever made to move to Ilfracombe. I know some people come here and they don't have a high opinion of the place because, frankly, the high street could do with some TLC. And yeah, so I think a lot of people see it as a rundown area, but it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, who wouldn't want to live in surroundings like this and wake up to views like this, you know, where you live? And this place is beautiful. I love it when the tide's out, so I can go shell picking. Right, so here we are at the harbour. In a moment I'll take you to one of my favourite spots, which is called the Elephant's Head, and you'll see exactly why. In fact, you could probably see it now. You see it? You'll see a better view from the other side when we go there in a moment. There are lots of activities available here. You can go on fishing trips, wildlife cruises. Although, excitingly, last week or so, we've had viewings of a couple of seals in the area, which is nice. It's lovely. I've only ever witnessed them once in the 4 years that I've lived here. But my goodness, what beautiful creatures. I mean, look at this, guys. Nobody's around. It's so peaceful. All I can hear is the birds singing, the seagulls squawking, and the sound of the sea. Yeah. One other person out at the same time. This is without a doubt my favourite time of day. And look at this place, guys. Oh, and look, just enlarged that. There's Verity, the sculpture made by Damien Hirst. As you can see, a lot of the boats are stored in the car park area, or boating area, whatever you want to call it. It's quite a big thing when they take all the boats out of the water. You get loads and loads of people coming to observe, so that's really nice. And here we are, as promised. I'm going to take you to one of my favourite spots. It's called the Elephant's Head. And my goodness, guys, when was the last time you saw an English telephone box like this? I've not seen one for years, apart from this one. Right, here we are, guys. My favourite little spot is a little bit smelly. Yes, this is obviously where they bring up all the fish. But it doesn't always smell of fish, just sometimes, like at the moment. But look at this. This is the Elephant's Head. And it is one of my favourite spots here. Best time to come is early morning. Come here, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning. It's absolutely beautiful. Right, guys, it was just a short walking video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more of this content, please like, share and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to my little channel. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. And bye-bye from me and the Elephant's Head. Bye, guys. Hey guys, check that out for a crab's claw. That is absolutely ginormous. Wow. Right guys, I know I ended the video a moment ago, but I thought I'd add a little bit more in. This place is just so beautiful. I want to share it with all of you. Just do a little panoramic. So this is the harbour in Ilfracombe, North Devon. Look at the reflection of all the buildings on the sea. It's just beautiful. Verity again. Last view of the Elephant's Head. Right guys, that really is it for today. Have a wonderful day everybody. Until the next walking video. Bye bye.